All right, YouTube viewers, this is the moment we've been waiting for. I've spent about 2 weeks fabricating this exhaust system. I used 2.5-inch piping on both sides, and with all the quarantine and all that stuff going on, I've had more time to work on it, but I've also been busy with working from home, so try to keep a magical balance there. I have the decibel reader right here. It's about the same distance as last time. I'm gonna get a cold start, and then we'll take it for a spin. I'm freaking excited. I'm nervous. I hope everything turns out to exactly the way I want it to. We'll see here in a second, but here it goes. Holy crap. All right, it is time to take this beast out on a test drive, and I'm excited. I'm trying to be quiet, trying to leave the neighborhood. Jesus Christ. Oh, sounds good. Me like you a long time. I just hope that the drone doesn't happen. I like this. I like this way better than the split fab speed, individual muffler section fab speed. Jesus Christ, this is way better. But, fuck, it's loud. Oh my god. Yes. YAS. Yes. So, with the exhaust merging together, I need gas. With the exhaust merging together, it mixes the sound decibels, or the sound notes. Pop it. Wow, this pops. Pops a lot more now. Well, it might be louder because the mufflers are off. Really loud pops. 5,000. Yes. Get me to a straight highway. See that smile? That is a proud Lamborghini exhaust fabricator smile. Vicious. That is the vocabulary word I will title to this experience right now. Vicious. How do let me turn traction control off. Yes. This is the experience that I want as a Lamborghini driver. I want to feel the car with the gated 6-speed, and I want to hear the engine. I want to feel the compression. All 10 cylinders just battling away. Mix it all together, and the X pipe creates this product right here. And I don't hear or feel any drone. That's the beautiful thing. That's what I like about this. I need to hit the highway to see how it does out there, but I'm gonna get some gas first. done and get this published and out to you guys so you can see it, because I know a lot of you actually have been messaging me, asking me when this is going to be ready, and I'm going to finish it today. So, I have the car set up, throw this back there, start the car up, give it a couple of throttle revs, and then we'll see if this exhaust beats out the factory, which I'm pretty sure it will. I know it will. I made it. I can't believe it, and I love it. I love it. This is pure bliss to me. I hope you enjoyed the content on the Six Figure Lifestyle channel. As always, smash that subscribe button if you enjoyed the content, and please keep a lookout for my next videos. I have some more engineering to do. I'm actually going to put the car back in the garage tonight and start tearing the engine apart. So we'll see what happens with that. Stay tuned.